Imagine you're scrolling through your social media, and suddenly, a friend's post about Vivid Money catches your eye. You're intrigued. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. But one question keeps nagging at you: where is this mysterious company headquartered? Vivid Money has been making waves in the financial world, offering innovative solutions and a user-friendly platform. But knowing where it's based can give you a deeper understanding of its values, culture, and perhaps even its future direction. Despite its growing popularity, Vivid Money has managed to keep its headquarters location relatively under wraps. This air of mystery only adds to the intrigue. Some people speculate it's somewhere in Europe, given its European-centric focus. Others believe it might be in a tech hub like Silicon Valley. But where is it really? Let's embark on a digital detective mission to uncover the truth. We'll scour the internet, analyze press releases, and even try to connect the dots based on the company's public persona. One clue might be the company's language. If it's primarily in English, it could suggest a headquarters in an English-speaking country. However, if it offers services in multiple languages, it might be located in a multilingual region. Another clue could be the company's partnerships. If it's collaborating with European banks or financial institutions, it's more likely to be based within Europe. We could also look at the backgrounds of Vivid Money's key executives. Where did they come from? Are they European or from elsewhere? Vivid Money's headquarters is located in Berlin, Kemperpolitz. Brief description of the location, e.g., bustling city, coastal town. Why this location? Now that we know the location, let's explore why Vivid Money might have chosen it. Is it because of the region's favorable business climate? Perhaps it's due to access to a talented pool of tech professionals? Or maybe there's a strategic reason related to the company's goals. The future of Vivid Money. With its headquarters firmly established, where is Vivid Money headed next? Will it continue to expand its services? Will it venture into new markets? The possibilities are endless. So, there you have it. The mystery of Vivid Money's headquarters is solved. While the company may have kept its location somewhat secret, it's now clear that it's based in insert location. And as Vivid Money continues to grow and evolve, we can expect exciting things to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.